Moon is peeking in the sky. She is the crescent moon. The birds are coming out. The birds are coming out from their nest. At this moment, they are not in search of food. They are enjoying. At this moment, the sky is cloudy and it has taken a new look. Look, what a nice look the sky has taken in the sky. The night is falling on us. The night is falling on me. The night is falling and the nature has changed. Ha! Look! The nature has given a new look at this moment. Very nice. Everything is calm and quiet at the time of the setting sun. The sun is going down to the west. What a scene.